Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted, but I have been super busy with my now 7-month-old baby girl. So today I'm going to show you a very simple keto recipe. This is Parmesan chicken wings. Now you ask, what's so keto about it? Why can't you just have the normal chicken wings available in different restaurants? For one, most of it has batter, which is not keto friendly. Most of it is either dusted with some flour or some salt, or is dipped into some sauce, which is definitely high in sugar. And this is so simple and so easy to make. It just takes about 5 ingredients and you're done, and yes, they are delicious. So watch on. So all you're going to need for these chicken wings are, I have over here 900 grams of chicken wings. This is grated Parmesan cheese, which is about 100 grams, or maybe just a little less than 100 grams. This is about 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of jeera powder. Also for seasoning, salt and some oregano. So I've just put in that dry mixture, the cheese, the spices into the chicken. I'm going to mix it up nicely. I'm going to give the chicken wings a nice massage with that dry rub so that every wing is covered with that masala cheese. Now remember that Parmesan cheese is salty, so if you're going to put in salt, put in very little, because then you just might oversalt your wings and they'll end up way too salty. So just a little bit of salt, and now some oregano, not that much, and we're gonna mix this again. I'm using a grilling pan. You can use an ordinary frying pan, or you can even put this into the oven and it would still taste amazing. I have added about a teaspoon of salted butter into the pan. I'm going to wait for that to melt completely and darken just a little bit, and then I'm going to put my wings on the grill. There we go, the butter has melted, it's frothing and has turned a little brown, so it's time to put in the chicken wings. So I fry them for 5 minutes and turn them over to the other side. Keep them for another 5 minutes on this side and then flip them over again. I'm going to continue doing this till the chicken wings are cooked. There's no set time, it all depends on the size the wings get. My wings are ready, and this is my dinner. 3 of those wings, some lettuce, cherry tomato drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, and a dollop of cream cheese on top. Delicious. Now wasn't that simple, and it's extremely keto friendly, and I'm not lying to you, they are delicious. So for more recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and I have lots more in store for you, and I promise I'm not gonna delay in making videos from now on. I'm not gonna use my baby as an excuse. If I find a way, I'm gonna do it. So, until next time, bye-bye.